Close your eyes for a second. Imagine a winter morning. Cold air, silent roads, a warm blanket. Now tell me honestly, do you feel lazy in winter or do you feel calm? Today we will use this winter feeling to improve your English and your mindset. Stay with us.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to Hashmi English Tutor. If you want easy English conversation, daily life spoken English, confidence without fear, then this podcast is for you. Today's topic is very simple, very real, and very relatable. A winter day.
Winter is the coldest season of the year. In winter, the weather is cold, the days are shorter, the nights are longer.
People feel different in winter. Some people feel lazy. Some people feel peaceful. Both feelings are normal.
Repeat after me. It is very cold today. Winter days are quiet. I like winter weather.
Repeat after me. It is very cold today. Winter days are quiet. I like winter weather.
Let's talk about winter mornings. In winter, waking up is hard.
Say these sentences slowly. I don't want to wake up. It is too cold outside. I need 5 more minutes.
Now, positive sentences. I wake up early even in winter. I start my day with positivity.
Winter teaches discipline. If you can wake up in winter, you can do anything.
Good morning. It's very cold today.
Yes, it is. Do you want tea or coffee?
I want a hot cup of tea, please.
Here you go. Winter mornings feel better with tea.
Simple English, daily life English, useful English.
Let's learn winter clothing words. Jacket, sweater, scarf, gloves, socks, blanket.
Use them in sentences. I am wearing a warm sweater. I need gloves because it's cold. I sleep with a blanket at night.
Speak slowly. Clarity is more important than speed.
Many people stop improving in winter. They say, it's too cold. I'll start after winter.
But winter is not the problem. The problem is mindset.
Repeat this strong line. I don't stop learning because of weather.
Winter is silent, and silence helps focus.
In winter afternoons, say, I feel sleepy. The weather is very cold. I am working slowly today.
Better sentences. I am focusing on my work. I am using my time wisely.
Even 10 minutes of English is powerful in winter.
Winter evenings are special. Say these lines. The sun sets early in winter. It is getting darker outside. I feel relaxed in the evening.
More cozy English. I like sitting near a heater. I enjoy warm food in winter.
There was a girl who felt very lazy in winter. She stopped studying. She stopped practicing English.
One day, she made a small promise, only 10 minutes daily.
Winter passed, but her confidence stayed.
Lesson. Winter is not for stopping. Winter is for building habits.
Repeat after me slowly. I practice English every day. Cold weather cannot stop me. I am improving step by step. I believe in myself.
Repeat these lines daily, especially in winter.
Successful winter habits. Wake up on time. Drink something warm. Practice English daily. Avoid laziness.
Winter creates strong people quietly.
Winter gives you silence. Silence to think. Silence to heal. Silence to grow.
And English gives you confidence. You deserve confidence.
Don't wait for summer to improve yourself. Grow in winter.
This is Hashmi English Tutor, helping you speak English easily and confidently. Like this video, comment, do you like winter? Subscribe for daily English learning. Keep learning, keep speaking, even on cold days.